In this video, we'll demonstrate how to clear cache and rebuild the database on your PlayStation 5, an easy tutorial. But before we dive in, I'd like to invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn about clearing cache and rebuilding the database on the PS5, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. Let's get right into the tutorial. Clearing cache and rebuilding the database on your PlayStation 5 is a straightforward process that can enhance system performance. It's a way to clear system memory and may reset certain game settings, like display options and HDR settings. Here are the steps. To begin, you'll need a USB to USB-C cable. Enter safe mode by turning off your PlayStation 5. You can do this by pressing the PlayStation button, navigating to power options, and selecting Turn Off. Alternatively, press and hold the power button for about 5 seconds until you hear the second beep, then release it. Once the console is completely off, locate the power button and hold it down again for about 7 to 8 seconds until you hear the second beep. This action will start your PS5 in safe mode. Connect your controller to the console using the USB to USB-C cable. Press the PlayStation button on your controller to access the Safe Mode menu. Use the D-pad to navigate. Choose option number 5. Clear cache and rebuild database. Select Clear System Software Cache and confirm the action. Your PS5 will then restart. If you found this tutorial helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe to Media Magnet Guide for more informative content. Thank you for watching. For further tech insights, visit mediamagnetguide.com.